While you were handing over your most private thoughts to Gmail, Google was reading every single one. Not to keep you safe, not for your convenience. For ads. For years. There's one tiny detail buried in the fallout that should genuinely freak you out. Stick around, I'll get there. Launched April Fool's Day 2004. Gmail. It wasn't a prank, it was a statement. 1 gigabyte of storage when everyone else was giving you 4 megabytes. They sold it with a promise. You'll never have to delete an email again. They just conveniently forgot to mention the price tag. The price, your privacy. From the jump, Google built its entire ad empire by dissecting your private messages, keywords, context, your entire digital life. All of it indexed and served up for a nice targeted ad. Privacy advocates were outraged. Former Senator Liz Figueroa even tried to write a bill to stop it. It sailed through the state Senate, died in committee in the Assembly. Google's lobbyists pack a bigger punch than your legislators. People called it creepy and spooky. You email about sailing, suddenly you're getting ads for sailboat tours. It was unsettling. Google's response? What's the problem? It's free. And you just kept using it. By 2012, 425 million monthly users. Now, 1.5 billion. Why? Because the product itself was just that good. Free storage, seamless search, conversation threading, all the features you craved at a cost you couldn't even negotiate. Google finally claimed to stop scanning emails for ads around 2017. That's a decade after they opened the doors. Not because they suddenly saw the light, but because the public backlash was a PR nightmare. But the data collection, that never stopped. It just got smarter. Now, your private info, it's training AI models like Gemini, not just your emails, mind you. Your Drive documents, your Meet chats, everything you feed into their ecosystem. And if your conversations get flagged for content or security review, that data sticks around for up to 3 years, completely separate from your delete controls. So Google's AI gets smarter and your privacy, it goes out the window. They offered these auto-delete options for Gemini activity 3, 18, or 36 months. A nice gesture, right? Except it's a polite fiction. Because once your data has been processed and absorbed by the AI, actually deleting your contribution is impossible. It's baked into the model. That sign in with Google button, it's everywhere. It made your life easier, sure. But it also put Google right at the center of your entire digital life. They're competing with Amazon, Apple, Facebook just for your login. And they win because you're already living in their Gmail boat. This isn't just about ads anymore. This is about sheer power, control. It's an entire digital world built on one simple premise. If you're not paying for the product, you are the product. And you signed up for it piece by convenient piece. You know the mantra, if you're not paying for it, you are the product. Google perfected it. You were the product for 20 years. Your emails built their ad empire. Your data is building their AI empire. You were never a customer. You were always the asset. Tell me in the comments below, what's the most messed up ad you ever got after an email thread? I'm watching. If that doesn't sound insane to you, I don't know what to tell you. Hit that like button now, before YouTube decides this isn't a story worth telling. They call me the AI Godfather because I've seen every single one of these coming. If you'd rather know what's around the corner before it hits you subscribe, I'll be right here. Google didn't just scan your emails. They built a multi-billion-dollar business on them, then pivoted to using it all as AI training data, all while you clicked agree on terms you never read. You got the free email, I got everything else, that was the deal.